Good afternoon. Welcome to today's trade breakdown. Going into the morning today, I was bearish. I said I'm expecting price to use the upper half of the daily BISI in blue, which is right here, and the hourly SIBI in gray right here, to send price into London lows and eat to the bottom of the daily BISI. We'd like to see a closure in the lower half. Lower half of this BISI is what I meant here. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. This is the, I always use the settings, the settlement settings that have the biggest volume imbalances. That's what I was taught to do. That's what I do. So that's why it looks like that there. So this is a little overlapping of imbalances here, daily imbalances here, which we didn't want to fill all the way in. We couldn't quite get to the consequent encroachment of this SIBI here, or this suspension block, this bearish suspension block here. And so I was expecting prices to use this hourly SIBI here in gray. Let's take a look at that. So when I said that, price was kind of doing this, just this low time frame consolidation. And then I keep note of this SIBI right here. I have it outlined in blue on my other charts, but open up, all we want to do is take out this engineered liquidity, all these highs here, and then immediately send price lower into these London lows I was talking about. So I couldn't really, I was lacking. I didn't get in this trade. I wanted to, but I didn't have time. I didn't really see this coming immediately. I was expecting to run back up here, maybe take out this high and London's high, use this to send it lower. It's kind of what I was planning, but we just immediately wanted to use that hourly SIBI here. So we open up, body's respecting consequent encroachment, and immediately dump there. So we come down, take out London, and like I said, we couldn't quite get to the bottom of this, or the midpoint of this SIBI here. Couldn't quite get into the bottom of these overlapping imbalances. We filled in the daily here, and that's all we needed. And we just came back up and basically rebalanced out this price here. Used the SIBI in gray once more to send price in and take out this last liquidity. And like I said, we closed below the midpoint of this, which is what I was looking for. So yeah, I mean, pretty simple day. Pretty much shorts and then longs, and that was all we needed. We didn't even want to take out this 930 high yet. So what I'm looking for overnight, I would like to see Asia session come take out these highs, maybe take out these London highs. The reason we didn't need to today was because here on ES, we had already taken these highs out. So we had that London session divergence. So we didn't need to come back up in here in Q. All we did is hit midnight open. And that's what we needed. You graded the range here from 7 to 9 discount and get short. There's going to be days like this where you just can't get in that move. I actually did enter longs based off this inversion first percent fair value gap after 10 here. So I entered longs. Use this, guess where that's lined up? Quadrant levels of both imbalances. Oops. Use that, send it higher. Came and get touched first percent of the day. Take out these relative equals. Came and get to regular trading hours opening range gap. This is bearish to me. I'm expecting lower prices going into tomorrow. Maybe come down in here. Touch this big liquidity void here, and see what we want to do the rest of the week. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for you today. I'll talk to you tomorrow.